Okay, I thought I'd give you a little quick tour of the CNC machine. Here it is, and here's the X-axis movement. Very smooth. Here's the Y. And the Z. So now I'm waiting on the lead screws that will go down through here, and the motor mounts right there and pulls this up and down, and then right here the motor mounts with a bearing and goes all the way through here to that side, and that moves this direction, and then the Z-axis motor mounts right there, and I don't know whether you can see that or not, but it goes through that right there. So anyway, talk to you soon.